back on the Grom. So, funny story. I got to ride the Rebel to the storage space today. It had a off-road encounter with a ditch. I wasn't riding it, but luckily minimal damage. Bent the handlebars, bent the risers. The bent handlebars dented my tank, my gas tank, and really that's about it. Everything else seems intact. The person that was riding it is perfectly fine. Maybe their ego is a little bruised, maybe. But other than that, they're all right. So yeah, this weekend I got an update on the Harley. I decided to, if you saw my last video, I started replacing the digital points. And I discovered that the rotor button, there's 5.0, they're still there. It's good, otherwise I'd have to safe on-red this thing, and I don't want to do that for the cops. I mean, Anyways, there they are. So I got about halfway done installing the new Dyna S ignition. If you guys are gonna put electronic ignition digital points on your old Harleys or any kind of old bike, get the real deal. Don't do what I did at first and get the Chinese knockoff. I mean, when it comes to timing and stuff, nah. The rotor button, that's what I call it. The little thing that holds the magnets that go around the Hall effect sensor. Virtual lobes, let's call them. I noticed when I was replacing the actual Hall effect sensor that I noticed that when I was doing that, the rotor button was real loose. Like the diameter was big, and it could move left and right. It wasn't great. That was kind of unexpected. I just thought, but it's like, I just thought that's like, okay, no. I tried the Dyna S rotor button on there, and it fits the shaft perfectly, like machine fit. So, is that the start of some of my problems? Is that this thing is going around and the ignition is wiggling? That didn't seem right. Anyway, so I ripped the old one out in the last episode, and we got it. The new one, I got the wires down the axis hole, and then I just gotta put some ring terminals on it and call it a day. I think if I'm gonna do that today or not. Uncle Billy's right in front of us in the Raper Van 9000. So he picked me up so I could get the Grom out of his shed, because I wanted to ride, but I can't ride my Rebel. So yeah, I either want to work on that today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I got all the parts I need. I ordered it cost about $550 to fix what got fucked up. So, like I said, the tank was $300, but it's brand new. It came in an OEM box and everything. I got the matte graphite black, which I'm pretty sure is the color of my bike. I'm pretty sure. So we got that. Like I said, I got the handlebars. I got the risers. I got the top caps for the risers. What else? Oh, a right hand grip, because you ain't gonna be able to get the other one off. So I got a right hand grip. Like I said, that's about it. I got I got all the packages. I get the package. So yeah, we're gonna look at that this weekend, because I'm realistically only about another month away from putting up the Rebel for good for the winter. I don't leave it outside because it has has coolant in it. It's liquid cooled, so you know, I just store it in my storage space until it's warm enough to ride again. That's why I got the Grom. This thing's air cooled. It don't care. Grom don't care. So my only thing is, oh god, this is sketchy. Okay, we're going through anyways. Have to. That's why I told Billy, no, I'll be right behind you because I won't set off any of these lights. So anyways, yeah, that's what we got going on this weekend. After talking to Billy, he was like, you should just do some motovlogs where you don't talk. And I'm like, okay. So I'm going to start a new playlist where we'll just ride into work and I'm not going to say anything. So, but we're coming up to the guard shack now. I don't normally come in this way anymore. This way is too dangerous. Because, you know, I got to go through the kill box. You guys remember that? The kill box. Of course, we're going to be here a minute. Okay. I forgot how quiet this... I mean, it's quiet and not quiet. Hey, morning. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
There we go. Have a good day.
Have a good one. Oh, now she's screaming. It's a little hard to see in the early morning. That's why I've been waiting until like I get a, you know, little bit of sun, just daybreak, you know, whatever you want to call it. Because, you know, my visor's a little tinted. You know, it's that like mirrored gold, so it does kind of make it a little harder to ride at night. Anyways, all right. Well, I guess that's it. We'll see you on the next one. Easy. Can't see nothing.